The University of Pittsburgh Graduate Studies team is pleased to introduce our finalists and their research in the 3MT competition. The 3MT, or 3-minute thesis, challenges doctoral students to effectively explain their 200-plus page dissertations to a general audience in just 3 minutes. Please enjoy this presentation by Laras Susanti, PhD candidate, who won the School of Law competition.
Hello, my name is Laras Susanti. I'm an SJD student at Pitt Law. Today I'm going to tell you about my dissertation. Can you imagine living in a country where the Constitution guarantees freedom of religion, but you cannot register your marriage or apply for a job as a civil servant because the state does not recognize your religion or belief? Sadly, this is what happens to the members of indigenous belief in Indonesia. The population administrative law stipulates that for those whose religion or belief are not recognized by the state, on their ID card, the religion column must be left blank. Because of the law, members of indigenous belief are labeled as defiant and excluded from society. Fighting for their rights, they went to the Indonesia Constitutional Court, asking the court to review the law. This authority of the court is called a judicial review, a power given by the Indonesia Constitution to the court to check on statutes against Constitution. If the court finds that a statute violates the Constitution, the court may invalidate the statute. General knowledge is that courts are placed where the law is and parliaments are where politics work. But did you know that researchers have found in many countries, constitutional courts can also be political? Courts try not to offend lawmakers or public. So instead of invalidating statute, courts keep statute alive by adding instruction on how statutes must be or must not be interpreted. This is exactly what the Indonesia Constitutional Court did in ID card case, which is one of the cases that I study for my dissertation. My dissertation focuses on the Indonesia Constitutional Court cases on religious issues and minority groups. I intend to provide an understanding on factors influencing the court in favoring minority groups or taking neutral stance in order to protect its legitimacy before the conservative of Islam, which still hold majority in Indonesia. I study the court decision, minutes, and video recordings of the hearing. Additionally, I interview several judges and institutions involved in judicial review. I aim to contribute to the discourse of constitutional court in Muslim society. Importantly, this work will benefit minority groups in strategizing their future cases. Thank you.